Hey guys, Mohawk Mike here. I gotta make up some of these squirrel picnic tables for a friend of mine. Pretty easy to make. I got some old pine pickets here that I'm gonna take and plane them down, and I'll show you guys how to make them. Alright, now that I got those planed down, I'm going to take and set my table saw up real quick, and I'll get them split down to the width we need them to make all the planking. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, I got my table saw right here. I got to take and get these slats cut all at 1 inch. So we get the table saw set up with that, and I'll start running these. Hope I didn't splinter. Alright, that's a whole bunch of 1 inch slats. Now I'm going to take and make up the jig. Jig basically just looks like this shape right here. What do you got here? The jig basically looks like this shape right here. I'm making a piece of plywood, figure out what my angles are, and just start chopping up all my pieces and then nail them together. I'll show you guys how to do it though. Alright, I think cut my first board at 10.5 inches. And I make this little jig. It's 2 1/8 inches tall, 4 inches wide. And I got two 21-degree angles on the sides here. So basically just go from 4 inches to 21-degree angles on each side, and it'll let you know how long your pieces are going to be for these uppers. But what I do is I stick 2 of these down here. It'll give me 2 inches from the bottom then. I set it like that. Put that in the center there. I'm gonna get my bigger gun here. Oh, where's she at? I'll use this try. Get that all set up where you need it. Shoot her down so she ain't going nowhere. Alright. So now that's there. You put this bottom one right along with sides there, and then this next one is going to be 4 3/4. So you cut your other piece at 4 3/4. Find your center on that, which would be, what would that be? That'd be 2 3/8, I believe. Yep, 2 3/8. So that's your center mark now. Set that there on your center. And then you can take and you figure out how long these have to be. So you set it there. It's going to be, see, hit to the bottom there. Up here. I guess the easier way to do it would be to take it. Go ahead and mark that piece of wood underneath here. Let's see here. So you can mark this bottom piece really quick here. You can move these. Set this here. You know you gotta cut it here. Cut it here. Try there. Noisy damn air compressor. These should be the same 21-degree angle. Go ahead and cut another one of these up real quick. Alright, got 2 of those cut. Cut one more of each one of these. Alright, so those are all the pieces you need for the one side. Now to set this up, take put this back on center. Take this one, put it on center. Take this guy, lay it here. This one here. Alright, looks good. Take this guy, put it on top. This one on top. Hold it down. Alright. Flip it back over. Lock her in. See, even everything back up again. Maybe the pressure needs to turn back on. We'll wait 1 minute for that. I got 2 more shots out of that, I think. There you go. Got the one little frame. Take and do that up a couple more times real quick. Let's turn on this air compressor to block out the sound for now.
Get on my head. 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 Get on my head.
Last time. Should be 6 inches. You have to measure those. 6 inches from long to long.
You said never let me go. You said never let me go.
Alright, 9 pieces of 12 inches. Taking mine up all mine and get something that's flat. There's a little bugger. That's nice and flat. And take a piece of wood, lay them across there. You want it 1 inch from the end. Sit on the other side over here. Just kind of use your reference point. It's a little easier for nailing them. Alright, so we're going to start with one of these very end ones. Put right at the 1 inch mark. Just give it one shot for now. Put your other one on. Square it up. Start stacking them in there. Hey guys, I went ahead and I changed up the second one a little bit. I made 2 different styles. I made one that you can hang in a tree, and then one you can set right on your deck. This one to hang in a tree, that's all I did is I cut it off an inch shorter. Like these boards up top here were 12 inches. I just cut these ones down to 11 inches. Put a board on the back. So you can take and put it right on a tree, run a couple nails into it. And I made this little box go around there so you put nuts in it. And put your corn cob on top. That's basically what they are though. Just 2 different styles. Cute little thing to add to the outside of the house. Alright guys, take a like and subscribe please. I could use the help in that. It's trying to start a new channel. Alright, you guys have a good one. Thank you.